Alright guys, so we made it to the first hotel in Miami. We leave out tomorrow for our cruise ship, so we have a hotel for this night and then we have a hotel for the night we get back. So let's just do a quick room tour. Why not? So as soon as you come in, there's the door. We have this nice mirror here. Little nightstand. Here's the bed and a little closet. And a safe. So we have our bags there and a TV. Let's see. Work. Oh, there we go. So that's gonna cut on. And they have this nice little table here. So I just put our bags on the table, like our my purse, his backpack, and then our luggage. And then there's a nightstand here also. And let's see the view really quick. I don't want to make this too long because we have to vlog the trip, so. Crappy view, so let's keep that closed. So the bed is there, and then when you turn here, you go into the bathroom. Mirror here. And yeah, blow dryer, sink, toilet, and the shower is nice. So it looks really cozy. So we're probably about to hit up South Beach and chill. So that's room tour number 1. And when we get to the Bahamas cruise tomorrow, I'll let you guys see that. And yeah, talk to you guys next time. Bye.